Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. How are you all? I hope you guys are fine and doing well. I welcome you all to AppSec online support program, and this is the video lesson for class 3. Textbook Integrated Studies Computer Science page numbers 140 till 141. Chapter 13 Presenting Your Ideas. Task 3 Set the timings. Resources which are required: textbook, computer, laptop and PDF book. Introduction of the lesson is Microsoft PowerPoint is a presentation program. You will see how long the actual transitions takes to complete. Thought of the day: respect your elders. Always respect your elders. Topic: Task 3 Set the timings. Objectives: today we will learn how to set timings to your presentation. Success criteria: select transitions and set the timings. Okay, before starting our task, let's have a quick recap of how we add animations to our slides. Okay, so I am opening Microsoft PowerPoint and will tell you one by one how can we apply animations to our slides. Okay, so for instance, I have took these 3 slides. I will apply animations one by one on each slide. Okay, so for instance, I am applying animation to my first slide. Go to animation tab here. Now I will apply the animation to the first one. This is the text box highlighted. Before applying any kind of formation, we need to highlight the text first, or we need to select the text. Okay, I am selecting this text. Okay, selected. Now I am applying animation to this. You can choose any of them. Selecting the second text box now and applying the animation to this. Okay, now for this picture, go to animations tab. You can choose any of them. Now on the second slide, I want animation. Select again. Go to animations tab. You can choose drop down arrow to see more animations effects. Select any of them. Now the last slide. On my last slide, I will need last animation. For the last slide, I am selecting this one. So this way we can add animations to our slide. Now I am slide showing it to show you how it will present on your screen. Okay, go to the slideshow tab. Slideshow your presentation from beginning, or you can press F1 to show the presentation from the starting. Okay, I'm pressing F5. So this way it will show on your screen. Okay, so in this task today, in this lesson, we will learn how can we add timings to our slide. Timings means move to the next slide after a certain number of seconds. It will move your slide automatically after a certain time limit. Here you can add certain time limit. If you want to add timings to your slide, for instance, you want to play your second slide after 3 minutes because you have a lot to explain on your first slide. That is why you want on the second slide a timer. Then you can add timer to your slide by going into animations tab. Here you can add timings to your slide. If you want to add your timers on mouse click, then you can wait until a mouse click to move on the next slide. Or if you don't want to use it, you want to do it with your keyboard, then you can easily press enter with your keyboard to move to the next slide. Okay, so this is for the timers. We can add timers, we can add certain numbers of second or minutes to play our next slide. Okay, so for instance, this is my first slide. I want after 10 seconds my second slide will be play. Okay, now I want the You can write here also. If you want 1 minute, then you can write 1 here to add 1 minute's timing. Okay, so on my this slide you can, so this way you can add timings to your presentation. It will give you a certain time where you can show your presentation with a different time gaps. Okay, so I am now playing it. It will show you. If you don't want to add mouse click, then you can unchoose this option. Okay, so when you will play these presentation, then it will be with this certain time gaps. Okay, I am slide showing my presentation now. The second slide will come after 10 seconds. Okay, so yes, like this. It will give you more time. If you need more explanation to your slide, then it will give you more time. Or you, if you want to rehearse your presentation first, then you can rehearse it too and then add timings to your presentation. Okay, so after 10 seconds, next slide. Yes. Okay, so this way you can add timings to your presentation. Now I will tell you how can we add rehearse timing. For instance, this is for rehearse timing. You can rehearse your slides and then you can see how long you can practice your slides with rehearse timing option. From here you can see how long your presentation will go. Okay, so this way you can add timings to your slide. Okay, all right, this is the rehearse timing option. You can rehearse the timings from this option easily. Okay, the home practice activity is make a small presentation about the plants in your country, which is the most common flower or tree. Select transition and set the timings. Make the slide changes automatically. Your presentation should be less than 10 minutes. All right. And then I just want to say respect your readers, respect your parents, respect your teachers, respect your brothers, respect your sister, respect everyone, give respect to each others, and be kind, stay safe.